Human rights are the rights inherent to all human beings, regardless of who we are or where we come from. They are the foundations of freedom, justice, and peace in the world. Hello, I welcome you all to this video where we can explore the basics of human rights. What are they? Why do they matter? And how did they come to shape our modern world? Let's dive in. The concept of human rights has evolved over centuries. While the ancient civilizations recognized certain codes of conduct and justice, the modern idea of human rights emerged with landmark events like the Enlightenment and revolutionary moments in the 18th century. So, we have seen in the pictures that these milestones paved the way for the Universal Declaration of Human Rights adopted by the United Nations in 1948. This document laid out 30 fundamental rights, affirming the dignity and equality of every individual. Human rights are universal, inalienable, and indivisible. They include civil and political rights, such as the right to vote and freedom of expression, as well as social, economic, and cultural rights like access to education, healthcare, and work. But why are human rights important? Simply, when we put this, they protect the dignity and worth of every individual. They ensure that everyone has the freedom to live without fear, discrimination, or oppression. Human rights also foster global cooperation, helping the nations work together to tackle challenges like poverty, inequality, and conflict. While much progress has been made, the journey is far from over. Upholding the human rights requires constant vigilance and action from governments, organizations, and individuals like you. In this series, we'll delve deeper into the principles, history, and challenges of human rights. Together, we can better understand their role in building a just and equitable world. Stay tuned for more insights. Like, share, and subscribe to learn more about history, human rights, and social issues.